Today we're exploring the Fantech Atom96, a budget mechanical keyboard with blue switches and a unique feature, hot-swappable switches. The Fantech Atom96 offers a compact 96% layout, giving you the functionality of a full-size keyboard while saving desk space. The build quality is impressive for a budget option. The case is made of sturdy plastic, and the keycaps have a durable texture that resists wear. Here's what sets the Atom96 apart. It's hot-swappable. This means you can replace the switches without any soldering, allowing you to customize the feel and sound of your keyboard. Want quieter keys? Swap the blues for red switches. Prefer a tactile experience? Try browns. The possibilities are endless, making this keyboard versatile and beginner-friendly for customization. It features blue mechanical switches known for their clicky tactile feedback, making it ideal for typists and gamers who enjoy audible key presses. Now, let's hear the typing test. Here's how those blue switches sound. That wraps up our review of the Fantech Atom96. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.